we're going to look at trig and bearings. So let's start with a quick recap of our bearings. Now a bearing is just an angle measurement with a given direction. So there's a few key facts that we need to know about bearings. First of all, we always start from the north line and we always go clockwise. Now these are very important because the direction matters. Now you'll be asked to calculate bearings, and interpreting where you need to start and the direction you're going is important. So for example here, when we're asked to calculate the bearing of A from B, this means we're starting at B. That's our starting point. So for example, if I was going to the shops from my house, well, from my house, I'm starting at my house and I'm going in the direction of the shops. So let's take a look at this on a triangle. Now here, you can see you have the points and triangle A, B, and C, and I have our north lines drawn. Now, on this example, and on any example, our north lines, what they actually are just directly straight up on our sheets of paper. That's how we interpret the north lines. Now, if I was to look at this example here, and let's say I wanted the bearing of, so bearing of C from B, that means I'm going to start at B. So I need to start at B at the north line, and I'm going to go clockwise. I'm going to read it clockwise all the way until I hit the line that says C. So this is the angle that I'm looking for. If we looked at another one, if we want to find the bearing of A from B, well, if we look at this, we're still starting at B and we're going to start at the north line and we go clockwise. But what happens here is I'm going to go clockwise all the way around until I hit the line where A is connected to B. So then in this case, it's this whole angle here that I'm looking for. And if we look at a third example, so if I want to find the bearing of A from C, this means now I'm going to start at C. So I'm starting at C and the north line at C. And the angle I'm looking for is to, if I keep going clockwise, to where it meets A. So this is the angle that I'm looking for. So this here is how we can interpret our bearings questions, or at least the starting point of it.